Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets. Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets are specially formulated to provide the essential nutrient folic acid, a form of vitamin B9, which plays a critical role in numerous bodily functions. But what makes Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets a standout choice for those looking to enhance their overall well-being? Folic acid is vital for the body's ability to create and repair DNA, produce healthy red blood cells, and support overall cell function. This is particularly important for pregnant women, as adequate folic acid levels can help prevent neural tube defects in developing fetuses. However, the benefits of folic acid are not limited to pregnancy alone. For everyone, it supports cardiovascular health by reducing homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease, and is crucial for cognitive health and the prevention of certain types of anemia. Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets offer a highly bioavailable form of folic acid, meaning they are designed to be easily absorbed and utilized by the body. This ensures that you are getting the maximum benefits from each dose. Unlike some other supplements, Nurokind combines folic acid with additional vitamins like B12 and B6, which work synergistically to further enhance nerve health and support the body's metabolic processes. But why choose Nurokind over other folic acid supplements? Nurokind is crafted to meet the highest purity and potency standards, ensuring you receive a consistent, effective dose every time. It's ideal for individuals with increased folic acid needs due to dietary restrictions, medical conditions, or those looking to support their nervous system and cognitive function as they age. Incorporating Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets into your daily routine is simple yet impactful. Take them as directed by your healthcare provider to ensure optimal results. Whether you are preparing for pregnancy, looking to improve your cardiovascular health, or seeking to boost your cognitive function, Nurokind provides a trusted, effective solution to help meet your nutritional needs. Are you ready to experience the transformative benefits of Nurokind Folic Acid Tablets? How could they fit into your daily health regimen? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.